Dolls were in the early 2000s.
I think I started working, I can remember it was the second.
What you doing, Jake? What you doing? I'm taking a video of you. I'm taking a video of you playing with your toy. See Sam? Who's Sam over there? Is Sam over there? Sam. Hi, Sam. Yeah. Hey, Sam. Hey, Jake. Yeah.
Well, you would be the logical choice.
Yow! It's a yow toy. Yeah. Well, he's playing with one of those yow catnip toys.
Oh, it's Jake. Okay.
It's Jake. Sam's back here doing something with chewing on something in the toy basket.
Oh, well, that's good.
Hello. It's a piece of string that's attached to something, or can't tell. Hi. Oh, that's a gorgeous shot of you. Yeah. I think I can take still shots while I'm shooting videos. Maybe I should do that.
Are you doing video now?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, my camera has that capability, but frankly, I don't care. Maybe someday I will. So I haven't tried it yet.